if I love someone and I genuinely like them, so then I give them a little Lolo loves. Now you're getting me to trouble. I cannot answer these questions. So whether it's Shami uncle or Shashi uncle or Kareena or Ranbir, who or Chintu uncle or my dad, मैं किसका नाम लूँ? मैं नहीं ले सकती. So I would say all of them. And having these lovely, Karisma Kapoor specials or whatever. Today's generation come prepared. उनको सब आता है. They know everything, whether it's the dancing, the talking, the clothes, they just have it all.
Someone who's probably India's best dancer is all set to judge India's best dancer. Karisma, what took you so long to judge a reality show?
Well, honestly, I love coming as a special judge and having these lovely, Karisma Kapoor specials or whatever. I enjoy the day, meet everyone, and I go home. तो it's simple and easy. तो अभी यहाँ बहुत सारा responsibility है. So finally, I think the team of India's best dancer convinced me. I've been on the show earlier. I had a great time in, I think, season 2 and season 3 both times. And I think I really love the ethos of the show, the energy of the show, and that's something that's very important to me, to just feel the energy, and that I think I really vibe with. So yes, happy to be here.
And tell me, what do you think about the new crop of talent that you are judging right now? What do you have to say about them?
I think they're all fantastic. Today's generation come prepared. उनको सब आता है. They know everything, whether it's the dancing, the talking, the clothes. They just have it all. So I think as a judge, it's more difficult for us because it becomes more difficult to choose, from all of them because they're all so fantastic.
And guys, we've got to know that there's you're sharing a lot of trivia and Lolo loves. So what is all that about?
Well, of course, if I love someone and I genuinely like them, so then I give them a little Lolo loves. Yeah.
I think the contestants are more excited about that.
Oh my God, yeah, I think it's just my way of genuinely expressing my love for them. And yeah, I think people like it, so that's nice.
And you were probably one of the first actors to venture into television with your daily soap. What was the talks back then? Because a lot of people feel that you're just putting yourself down when you...
Absolutely not. I think today the biggest of stars do TV, whether it's in India or Hollywood. So I think these kind of talks used to happen 20 years ago, right? And don't we all watch TV? I mean, whether it's in Hollywood, in the West or in India, everyone is hooked on TV. So I think that used to happen earlier.
Yeah.
But today there's no different, I would even say whether it's film or the OTT platform or OTT or TV or movies, everything is popular, everything has a great audience today.
But back then, Karisma, did people kind of try to...
No, I think, see, you have to move and evolve. And just like other actors were also, doing specials or doing shows. So we also had to experiment at that time. So I would say like it was, taking a step forward and experimenting, doing different things. So I like doing that always.
And of course, Kareena also hosted a dance reality show. Did she give you any tips?
Well, yeah, I think what we both really feel, and it is a fact that, actually judging a show is very tough. Tough as in long hours, a lot of work goes into it because when we are watching a performance, we're not just sitting there watching, we're calculating, we're noticing the moves, how they're performing. So it's a lot of work. See, we are actors. Yes, we dance. But we are not judging people. Yeah. Here we have to make notes, mental notes. We have to smile also, we are watching also. And we are making little notes कि किसने क्या अच्छा किया, क्या नहीं किया, क्या slip हुआ, what was fantastic. So it's definitely a different job for us actors. Yeah.
Also, a lot of reality shows often face criticism that they promote sob stories. There are a lot of emotional stories that get pushed. What do you have to say about that?
Honestly, I think they're all true stories. Yeah. So it's not just a sob story. It's a fact. Whether it's someone whose parents have sold their bike to get the money to come to Mumbai and, take part in a show. Or, someone who's trying to be here to make money for their family. I think these are all facts of life. Don't we do that? Don't we work hard? Don't we put things? So I wouldn't really say that.
And Karisma, you've been a naturally gifted dancer. Has there ever been a time when a producer or director added a song just because you were part of the film?
Now, now I can't be standing here saying, "Ha ye काफी बार हो चुका है." But no, I just like to say that I would say that I'm so grateful and thankful to the audience, to my directors and producers, who actually, and my music directors, playback singers, choreographers, who gave me, my co-actors, who gave me this great opportunity that I have this great bank of songs. Yes.
And a lot of people are waiting to see you back on the big screen. Given the fabulous actor that you are, what is keeping you away, Karisma?
You know, honestly, I like doing things. If I feel like doing something, I do it. If I don't, I won't. So I like not keeping the pressure on me. So I'll see. करना तो मैं करूँगी, नहीं तो नहीं देखते. Yeah.
And of course, you're judging India's best dancer, but tell me who's the best Kapoor dancer?
Tricky question. Nobody's ever asked me this. I really cannot say because genuinely, and this is not a diplomatic answer, कि in my family there has been such great talent. So whether it's Shami uncle or Shashi uncle or Kareena or Ranbir, or Chintu uncle or my dad, मैं किसका नाम लूँ? मैं नहीं ले सकती. So I would say all of them.
Yeah. Who's your favorite dance partner from among the
See, now you're getting me to trouble. I cannot answer these questions. Please.
Okay, so we have a small segment. I'm giving you pictures. You have to give us a story behind it.
So this was in Mauritius. प्यार दिलों का मेला है. दुल्हन हम ले जाएंगे. Yeah. This of course, that was of course Dance of Envy. And I mean, great memories, of course, with MDG. And that's in Switzerland with Chichi. Sona kitna sona hai. That's Le Gayi. Yeah, okay. That was Yara O Yara.
Yes, that was like your favorite.
Watch India's Best Dancer Season 4. Thank you. Bye-bye.